You are not tired because you're weak. You are tired because you are overloaded in ways that no one is measuring. Let me explain something that most doctors don't account for. By midlife, women are carrying emotional load, family load, mental load, environmental load, career load, hormonal load, and more. And the body doesn't separate them, it accumulates them. Midlife fatigue isn't just biological, it is cumulative. Think about this. You've been managing career decisions, children, aging parents, household logistics, financial planning, community obligations, relationship shifts. That mental load is cognitive strain. And cognitive strains increases sympathetic nervous system. So that means high cortisol baseline, shallow sleep, reduced recovery, reduced deep repair cycles. Here's what most women don't think about. Cognitive fatigue drains ATP just like physical exertion. Did you know the brain is one of the highest energy consuming organ in the body? So when you are constantly planning, managing, anticipating, your nervous system rarely down regulates. Now layer on this, midlife women also experience hormonal transition, reduced resilience to stress, and higher inflammatory reactivity. The system becomes less forgiving. You don't crash, you decline gradually. So you say, I'm just tired lately, but what you're actually saying is your nervous system has been in high performance mode for the past 20 years. Now let's blend this into restoration. If the system is overloaded, we must create deliberate input, not stimulation. This is why our 8-week energy restoration intensive is structured with repeated medical IV support for cellular hydration, nervous system recalibration, mitochondria support, nutrient repletion. We interrupt the load because invisible load becomes invisible fatigue. If you are local to Denville, New Jersey, or you live in the Morris County, New Jersey, and you're carrying a lot, you're carrying too much, this is your moment to intervene. See all the links below to enroll into our 8-week energy restoration intensive protocol. And your first step will be the clinical energy assessment with me. See all the links below.